Assuming you're searching for Theta organization cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and fundamentally need to know where the costs of Theta organization Theta will really go from now on. We will in a real sense examine the very past costs of Theta organization Theta and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, fundamentally remember that you want to for the most part take this expectation and each very other expectation with the goal that this in a real sense is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also anticipating something so amazing especially is totally unthinkable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start, which all things considered is very huge. Theta organization truly past value examination as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Theta organization, especially as Theta 2024 and Theta is right now in a real sense positioned #47 in the whole crypto-biological system. The core supply of Theta organization really is 1,000 with a market cap of $238 425 554, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta organization's cost has shown a decent increment of 4.3% as of now in an especially large manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Theta was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 987%, in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta organization truly has shown extremely serious areas of strength for lovely potential of late, and this could be decent an open door to generally dive right in and most certainly contribute. Theta organization value expectation 2024 as per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta. In 2024, the cost of Theta organization certainly is estimated to be at around a truly least worth of $0.71. The Theta organization value worth can explicitly arrive at a fundamentally limit of $3.18 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.79 in USD, which is very huge. Theta organization value expectation 2025. The cost of Theta organization really is anticipated to, in every practical sense, reach at a truly least worth of $3.80 in 2025. The Theta organization cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $4.60 with a typical exchanging cost of $3.94 all through 2025. Theta value estimate for 2026 Theta organization cost is gauged to, in every practical sense, arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $5.41 in 2026 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could arrive at an especially most extreme conceivable degree of $6.64 with a typical figure cost of $5.61. Theta organization Theta value forecast 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on especially past value information of Theta. In 2027, the cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at a really least degree of $8.33, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The Theta cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $9.61 with the typical exchanging cost of $8.56. Theta organization value expectation 2028 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2028, the cost of Theta organization is supposed to reach at a truly least value worth of $12.37, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Theta cost can arrive at a truly greatest value worth of $14.45 with a typical worth of $12.80. Which really is very huge. Theta organization value expectation 2029. The cost of Theta organization most certainly is truly anticipated to reach at an extremely least degree of $17.60 in 2029. The Theta organization cost can truly arrive at a most extreme degree of through 2031. Theta organization Theta value expectation 2032. Theta organization cost is estimate to arrive at a fundamentally the most minimal truly conceivable degree of $52.48 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Theta cost could fundamentally arrive at a greatest for the most part conceivable degree of $63.19 with a kind of typical gauge cost of $54.35 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value expectation 2033. The cost of Theta organization is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $77.02 in 2033. Theta organization cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $93.79 with the very normal exchanging cost of $79.74 all through 2033, or so they fundamentally thought. Theta organization value estimate 2040 long-haul forecasts ought to be truly drawn closer with alert genuinely because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market. expansion, and remaining informed about the in every way that really matters. Most recent improvements are genuinely key methodologies for overseeing chances related with certainly long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Theta cost forecast, the year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $1,761, while the base value worth of a Theta organization can essentially be around $1,485, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $1,566 approximately. Theta value estimate for 2050. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital money are similarly fundamental contemplations in an unpretentious manner. Projects with sort of useful applications and boundless reception are all the more genuinely liable to by and large persevere in the sort of lengthy run, which for the most part is very critical. According to the Theta organization cost estimate for 2050, Theta truly is expected to, for the most part, arrive at an exceptionally greatest value worth of $2,402 in 2050, which really is very huge. The especially least really anticipated cost of Theta coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $280, while the typical cost of the Theta organization for 2050 is projected to, for the most part, be $174. Theta organization value gauge facts. What is the fate of Theta organization? The eventual fate of Theta organization, especially, is profoundly sort of ward on the general execution of the crypto business in an unpretentious manner. With regards to putting resources into Theta, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system, or so they really thought. This kind of venture isn't appropriate for those with a deviated risk profile. Be that as it may, it by and large is as yet a superb speculation for the individuals who especially have a high capacity to bear risk and a sort of strong monetary position, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, Theta likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing biological system, which is very critical. What will in every practical sense be the Theta most noteworthy conjecture cost for 2024, which is genuinely critical? The Theta cost essentially is supposed to arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $318 toward the finish of 2024. How much does Theta organization cost in 2025, which is genuinely critical? The cost of Theta organization will increment as considerably more financial backers engage in the undertaking. In year 2025, Theta organization will be worth about a normal cost of $394, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Theta organization Theta a wise interest in an unpretentious way? Theta network's worth basically is supposed to, in a real sense, keep on extending, as lack will in general empower cost rise. Kindly note, there for the most part is a gamble to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the most extreme examinations certainly conceivable in an exceptionally huge manner. What amount will Theta organization be worth in 2030? As far as value, Theta organization by and large has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels in a real sense.